guys, today we are going to be digging up the big egg.
By Mindware. Okay, so let's open up this big egg.
It takes a while to open the tape. Oh, if you guys are wondering what we used our tray of is a cookie tray, and then we use the dog mat.
Yep, we got a cookie sheet, a big cookie sheet, and then we put a puppy pad over top of it for easy cleanup.
Yep. So let's open up the box. No, it's pretty thin. Yeah. So get it out. There we go.
Oh, that is a big egg.
Yeah. Yes, it definitely is a big egg though. What is this? Guys, do you have any clue what this is?
I don't know, what's it look like?
There's little tools and stuff. Oh, there's the digging tools.
Oh, those are your digging tools.
It makes more sense. So here's our giant egg. It is actually very giant.
Is it heavy?
Yes,
It looks heavy.
Yeah, I can lift it up, but soon I can't lift it up for a long time. It's way too hot. But you have to put dinosaurs being dead on this.
Right. We got lots.
You just take a little peek at this one to see the tire. Okay,
right.
Step breaking.
Let's dig in.
You won't get that well with tool.
Is it working?
No, it's not working that
No?
well. Let's try this one. See if it's a little bit stronger. No, they're just weak. Guys, this is an ice crusher. That's what we're going to be using. It does a lot more stronger damage. You see all those dents? Those are from my ice crusher.
Careful.
Wow, this does a lot of damage. That's why you gotta be careful, guys. And always have a parent for help. I got a screwdriver.
Yeah, just try to stick it in there and twist it around. Looks like you're getting some of it broken off.
Guys, it's working. It's really working. Guys, I'm slowly making a hole. Very slow, but also faster than those other ones, right?
Yep. Watch your hands.
I am. It's working very well. Yes.
I can try to do it this way. I'll help you hold it. Don't hit your hand.
I won't.
I kind of hammer the screwdriver in there.
Yeah.
This is a tough egg.
Yeah. We'll just use that screwdriver
Now
in there.
see if you can, oh, see now twist it. Now take your hand and see if you can break off some chunks. There you go. Now you got a little hole started.
See, it's already damaged. How about we damage it a little bit more? Okay. I think we're gonna try this then. I got a couple holes started here, so it's breaking it more.
We've got some big holes in there.
Okay, that's good. Hold on. Okay, now let's set some wood. We got a big chunk off.
Yeah, look at that. We got this big end off, and
I
look,
figured something out.
you can see a dinosaur. We're getting closer.
Yeah.
We're getting closer now.
Yeah. Guys, I attempt.
Oh, we got another big chunk off. There's a part. Oh, look at there's dinosaurs in there.
Yeah, everywhere.
You can see them.
I can easily just break.
Look at their heads are sticking out.
Oh, it did this dude. It just grabbed this dude out.
There's a little dinosaur stuck in there.
Yep.
Gotta free him.
We're just on consider. I found it.
Okay, we'll get him out. Let's work on these guys.
Yeah. Okay. Nice.
I bet you can dig him out with the screwdriver or one of these tools that they gave you.
Screwdriver.
Can you pry him out? There you go. Woo!
Nice.
Let's see him. Hold him up. All right, we got a little stegosaurus.
Yeah.
One dino free. I bet you can use the screwdriver to get that red dinosaur out too.
I
To
agree.
get his wing out. Yeah, the tools they gave us are just not quite strong enough. They're just not quite strong enough. This is tough rock.
You know what? I see something. That's
Is there
the egg.
another dinosaur in there?
That's the egg.
Oh, it's a egg?
Just there's the egg. I can't to do this.
Yeah, we broke off the other side of the egg so we can see that they're in there. You pry it open, use your muscles. Big muscles. You break it apart. Look at that! Big muscles go!
Oh, then it's him.
Oh no, it's stuck on his head. Oh.
It's okay, we can get it out. That's really good. It's on his head.
Can you get it off his head?
Yeah, I have to get it down here though.
Gently. I don't want to cut his
No,
head off.
I might get a fork. A forky.
Try the fork. Can you just break it right there? Oh, you're close.
Screwdriver.
Coming for you, dinosaur. We're gonna save you, dinosaur.
Yeah.
Almost. Woohoo! You freed him. Good
I
job.
get free him for good. We still get him out, yeah, but at least I got his head out
Yep,
so it
got
doesn't
his
break.
head out.
Is that Tyrannosaurus?
Looks like a Tyrannosaurus Rex in there. And some Brontosauruses.
Yeah. Ooh!
Alright.
I have big muscles.
We do have big muscles. Get him out. Oh, that's one way to do it. Ooh, the dust is flying.
Break an egg with an egg. Wait, that's actually a smart idea.
Are you gonna try it with part of itself?
Yeah. But it doesn't work that well.
No, I bet if you just take the screwdriver and
Pry
kind
him
of dig it in there, that you can probably just pry him
How
out.
about we break this guy open again?
Try that guy again.
I'm doing it.
Woo! Dusty. Yeah! You got him. Let's see him. Who is that?
A pterodactyl.
A pterodactyl. All right.
Guys, look.
That one got out. You free him.
Not yet.
Close. His tail stuck. Pull hard.
What if we pull up his tail, guys? I don't know about that's smart idea. It's just use. Let's just be safe and don't break the dinosaur.
Break the dinosaur. There you go. Oh, he's got a curly. Oh, is this part of his tail down here? Holy smokes.
No, that's not his. That's a new dinosaur.
Oh my gosh.
How much dinosaurs?
This place. Oh, I just pulled out. Oh, there's more dinosaurs. This thing's crawling with dinosaurs.
I know.
Holy smokes. Woo, you got him.
Hi.
Oh, look at him.
He's probably tough.
Yeah, he is.
That seems powerful. Guys,
All right, we're getting closer.
let's pull up this one. If I can.
T-Rex. Show muscles.
Whoa!
Get him?
Not yet. Nope.
Oh,
Let's try this dude. Yeah, I can definitely get this dude out. How about we use the screwdriver so we don't dent him that much? Guys, I found a way.
take him out. Alright.
Yep. A Tyrannosaurus.
All right. Looks like we got at least one more in there.
Or two. Yeah, two.
One or two in there.
I managed to break this one out.
Oh, we broke out another one.
It's a mini Tyrannosaurus.
And then what's the last one we've got there?
I think it's a swimming one.
The swimming dinosaur.
Oh, it's upside around. Probably this one the dinosaur's probably gonna die. I don't want to be in here. I want my neck free and don't hit me when.
Oh, there he is.
This is a swimming dinosaur.
The little swimming one.
We'll call it a turtle dinosaur.
Okay, so how many dinosaurs do we have in total?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So guys, let's wash them off. Wow, he's just full red.
Ooh, he is. Okay, put him on the towel.
Sit the baptism. That just doesn't want to come out. That's okay. Turtle dinosaur. Wow, it's basically 4 grams. Here's a big one. I figured you would get this.
Ooh, he's pretty blue.
Yeah. This one. You never heard Tyrannosaurus.
Oh, it's in his mouth.
Let's get it. There we go, guys. You get the black and stuff. It's time to get good. Ooh,
he's pretty color.
yeah, the green one. Yes, one. Rosy green. Okay, let's review it, each one.
Okay, who do we have?
Pterodactyl. I forgot the name. Dinosaurs. Pterodactyl. I forgot the name.
Well, just hold him up slower so we can see him. Ooh, it's like a Stegosaurus.
Pterosaurus.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Yep. A mini Tyrannosaurus Rex.
I don't know what that one is. We'll have to look them all up.
Yep, and this one.
The Brontosaurus.
Brontosaurus. And Turtlesaurus.
The swimming one. All right.
Those are all of them. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the dinosaur dig. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. And bye.